All right, we gotta edit this one in.
Shoot that boss!
Obviously, you can see I have my new logo over here.
I made this. I did that logo.
Okay, new logo. We also added right here a new update. UV LED walls. Div lid. Now we just picked this thing up, which we're gonna have to measure how tall this thing is. Because the Vanco guy told me that he had someone else pick one up. The last ladder rack he put on, the guy forgot to measure how tall it was. Within an hour, drove through a Starbucks, took off the whole top sign of the drive-thru and dented in the entire roof. Get to crank this guy. Crank that thing down. And you hit this lock. You can drop that down. Giant, little giant. What's it? It's called the skyscraper, or the 22-foot to 24-foot tall A-frame, little giant, or a 28-foot ladder. We could stick on this.
This is not for me. We're getting way too crazy around here.
Simply hang your bow staff on said location.
That's definitely not locked. You said it locks.
Locked in.
It's not. It's on a hook.
All right, we got the new step, and this one's got the hitch. If you want to come up in here, we got the new look. We got the inside ladder racks. We got one extra shelf. We got all the dividers. We just got all that today. We got the floorboard put in on this one because it didn't come with them. We took out the old stock divider and put the Ranger divider in. We got the heated seats. This one has the backup, or like the rear view camera mirror, because none of the other vans can see behind.
Find like a ramp or something. He's trying to get me to buy my recliner for his office. Yeah, right. Just so everybody out there knows, Ben doesn't even work here.
If I need a power dose, just to keep those power meetings going, you know?
The power meetings? Not even having power meetings. Those are $1 million deals for my iPhone.
It's coming up. Rolex, New York.
Bart.
3 LED walls. Underground, Oakland.
The remote deployment. It's like a bunch of cameras with the solar panels and camera, battery backup, SAR. But I don't know what it stands for. Super amazing. Really fantastic.
All right, go follow her to the office while I park this, and she'll show you the stack
I don't want
of jobs.
to. Come on. These are all my upcoming jobs. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Money, money, money.
Ka-ching. We're making money, 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 money.
Recology. 7 Joey restaurants coming up. I have a Marriott. I sold this one, so I'm looking for my commission. It's an 8x15 video wall. Yeah, I have a Sony Honda. That's in San Diego. I sold that one. Get it right, Ben. Oh, I have a LG site in Reno. Sunglass Hut. Recology. Oh, we're doing a sharp job in Seattle at an airport right now. Oh, we're doing a bunch of schools right now. Burlingame Unified. This is a pile of stuff I have to do. That's my life.
And that's a wrap, dude.